All right, everyone, we are open.
What is happening?
That's right. I forgot to tell you. See, my mom is in town and it's her 60th birthday and her anniversary party. And she would really like me to be there to help her celebrate her cancer remission. So as much as I would love to be here, I really gotta go. Thank you.
My roommate just called and said our apartment is flooding and also sinking and possibly on fire, but the landlord can't come because his cat is in the vet with worms, and so I really need to go over there.
Just get out. And what about you?
Dude, I just got invited to a sick party. You get it. You get it. Bang, bang, bang. Sounds busy out there.
Just
No more scheduling disasters. Contact your entire staff in one quick post and find shift covers fast with the Band app. Being a leader has never been easier. Band, trusted by 8 million leaders worldwide.